Yeah, this is high.
How you give your wife a heart attack.
What was that?
Who's the ladder? You climb up.
I'm gonna put that down there
Okay.
because it got in my mouth.
Okay.
Of course, you have to know it got
You
it.
see her? She just wants to climb.
That's so scary.
I got a firm grip on her.
Sorry if the camera's shaking.
Oh, you're recording a video?
Yes.
You're a horrible mother. Why would you?
You're a horrible
Why would you
father.
let your kids follow?
Uh-oh, your hat's coming
Sit
on.
down this thing. Right?
Just look at camera.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Just sit down, Nana. Turn.
Sit.
Oh my god. That is so scary.
Sit down, okay?
I could see everything from
Are you scared? Yeah.
up here.
Alright, hey, be very nice to her.
Oh, Lily, don't touch the snow. It's yucky. It's all muddy.
Is it cool?
She's happy if she's yucky.
Oh my god, do you see it?
Is this crazy?
Well, I need to go solve this, so.
Your socks?